What's going on, guys? Welcome back. And today's Sunday, and how about that sunset behind me back there? Today is the very first day of the week, and today's when we start planning our trades for tomorrow, right? What am I looking at? What are you looking at, right? Leave it in the comment section below. Remember last week when I did my video on Sunday, I told you watch 430 on the SPY. That's the area that we're going to see resistance start to kick in, and we're going to start to get our pullback going into September, October. We're middle of August at this point. We're a little bit past the middle of August, and we're already starting to get that little pullback. Now, look, I don't think that we're just going to fall all the way back down to 390 by the end of the week. There's no reason for that to happen out of the gates like that, but I do think that now we start to, a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of a green day, red day, stuff like that, leading into September, October, which historically have been one of the worst months of the year for the stock market. All right, so we're expecting September, October to possibly have further downside. And well, when you're doing videos outside, you get this kind of noise. There's a helicopter coming on overhead, so we're gonna just let that one pass on by. We're not even gonna edit it out. We're not even gonna edit that one out, guys. We're not even gonna edit it out. As a matter of fact, dang, there it is over there. So that's the name of the game when you're out here doing it this way. And there goes my ring. This is a whole circus. But it's a circus like the freaking stock market's been lately. And now as we go into September, October, we start to look for the pullback. Now, I'm still holding true to the thoughts that I shared last week, where I believe that we start to pull in and we probably end up testing 400, maybe 395 to 390. I think it's very possible, and I really hope we get down that low, because I am looking to continue to add into my long-term portfolio. But more than that, I'm looking at some specific stocks like Amazon, for example, where I'm going to be looking to probably do an active swing trade on that one going into the end of year, the last couple of months or so. And I'll be looking at Amazon for the 120s, see if I can get it down there. But the only way I do this, and this is a key component of what we're going to be looking for, which is the pullback September, October, okay, bounce back November, December into the Santa Claus rally. The key component to this is going to be inflation. Why? Because inflation has been what's been moving the market the last few months. All right, that's really what's been moving the market. And if inflation did in fact peak, all right, in July, when we roll into September and we got our August CPI and PPI data, we must see lower numbers than we saw for July. Okay, it has to be that way. That's how we're going to know that July peaked, okay, and August went lower, and we progressively continue to go lower. If we do that, well, then I think there's no stopping this market into a Santa Claus rally that could finish off the year in the 430s to 450 range. And if we do get that, that's when I'm going to start looking into going into that not long term, but that longer time frame swing trade that I'm going to be looking at, possibly in Amazon, if I can get it down into the 120s. All right, 120. I might start to scale into it in the low 130s, but doubtful. Probably the high 120s if I can get there, and then just scale into it and see if that's something I can hold on into the end of the year. We'll see. I don't have any open position in that outside of long-term investments, but that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I think we're going to get in this market. Okay, simple as that. I think we're going to start to get our pullback. We already started last week on Friday, which, by the way, we took advantage of very nicely in the chat with Tesla options on Friday. We nailed them. Okay, so I think we start to pull back a little bit here and there this week, and then real stronger pullbacks and more deeper pullbacks September, October, followed by November, December bounces if inflation has in fact peaked and we start to see that data come through. All right, let me know your thoughts, guys. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and check out the links to my courses. All right, I hope to catch you on another one.